Hello, high-tech scholars. This is Miss Liz, one of your school counselors. Welcome to Naviance. Today we are going to take a lesson in Naviance on the high-tech course planner. But before we do that, let's remember how to log in. Remember, your username and password are easy to remember. Your username is your 6-digit lunch number or email number, and your password is your 6-digit birthday. These should not change. If you're having trouble figuring out how to log in, raise your hand at this time. And if you're a teacher, this might be a good time to pause your video in order to help your students log in. Go ahead and click on Log In, and it should bring you to this lovely welcome page. It says, Welcome High-Tech Scholars to your Naviance page. Right now it's in English, but if you would prefer to read this in Spanish, you can click on this tab and translate it to Spanish. But for our purposes today, we are going to do this lesson in English. Up here at the top are 4 tabs: Colleges, Careers, About Me, and My Planner. And in other lessons, we will explore all these tabs. But for today, I want you to click on the About Me tab. This is a tab where you can explore everything about you, your strengths, your career interests, your portfolio, etc. But for our purposes today, I want you to focus on the surveys you have to take. Click on the High-Tech Course Planner. This is a survey that all students at High-Tech need to take, and it is a required survey. It is also a road map to your course plan for high school. So this is a way that you can see what classes you want in order to graduate, or what classes you need to have in order to graduate from High-Tech. For today's lesson, I will be logging in as Wendy Wolf, who is a fake student here at High-Tech, and she's a 9th grader. But for those of you who are sophomores and juniors, I will definitely help you out, and seniors, with tips on how to navigate this survey. Before we get started, I want to remind you that when I talk about credits, we count credits in a year-long class for English or for math as 10 credits. For a semester-long class, that is worth 5 credits. So let's get started with our survey. Question number 1 reads, how many high school academic credits have you earned? Wendy Wolf is a freshman in the fall. She has earned 0 credits. But if you're a sophomore, you should have earned at least 60 credits by this time. If you are a junior, you should have earned at least 120 credits. And if you are a senior, you need to have at least 180 credits. Wendy Wolf is going to respond to this question with a 0. The second question is, how many high school academic credits do you need in order to earn a high school diploma from High-Tech Early College? The correct answer for this question is 240 credits. Great job, guys. For question number 3, it reads, please select the total number of language arts or English language arts courses you need in order to graduate. When I say courses, this is referring to a year-long class. Remember, a year-long class is worth 10 credits. So in order to graduate from High-Tech Early College, you need 4 year-long classes or 40 credits in English language arts. Question number 4 reads, please check all English language arts courses you plan to take in order to earn your high school diploma at High-Tech. For Wendy Wolf, she's enrolled in English 9 Semester 1 and Semester 2 for her freshman year. Her sophomore year, she plans on taking English 10 Semester 1 and Semester 2. And her junior year, she plans on challenging herself by taking AP Lit Semester 1 and Semester 2. At the end of her junior year, she took a test called the AccuPlacer that placed her in English 121, which is a high school and college course. She will be earning high school credit and college credit while she's in that class. Scrolling on down to question number 5, it says, please select the total number of math courses you need to complete in order to graduate from High-Tech. This is the exact same as English. You need 4 year-long classes or 40 credits worth of math in order to graduate from High-Tech. Question number 6 reads, please check all math courses you plan to complete in order to earn a High-Tech Early College diploma. Wendy Wolf is in Algebra 1, Semester 1 and Semester 2 as a freshman. She plans on taking Geometry 1 and Geometry 2, Semester 1 and 2, her sophomore year. And then she plans on taking Algebra 2 her junior year. Remember, she took that AccuPlacer test, and she tested into a college course called Math 055. After Math 055, she plans on taking Math 121. We are going to scroll on down to question number 7. The question reads, please select the total number of social studies courses you need to complete in order to graduate. And the correct answer for this is yes, number 3. You need 3 years of social studies or 30 credits of social studies in order to graduate from high-tech early college. Included in these 3 years are 1 semester of civics and 1 full year of U.S. history. So question number 8 reads, please check all social studies courses you plan to take in order to earn your high-tech early college diploma. For Wendy Wolf, she's in geography semester 1 and semester 2. Her sophomore year, she plans on taking AP World History semester 1 and semester 2. And then her junior year, she has to take U.S. History semester 1 and semester 2. And then her senior year, she takes a semester of civics. Scrolling on down to question number 9. This is very similar to question number 7. It says, please select the total number of science courses you need to complete in order to graduate from high-tech. Again, this answer is exactly the same as social studies. It's 3 year-long credits, or 3 year-long classes, or 30 credits in order to graduate from high-tech. For question number 10, it says, please check all science courses you plan to complete in order to earn your high-tech early college diploma. There's no specific requirements for sciences, so some of you may have already taken Earth Science semester 1 and semester 2, but for Wendy Wolf, she took biology semester 1 and semester 2 her freshman year. Her sophomore year, she plans to challenge herself by taking honors chemistry semester 1 and semester 2. And her junior year, she plans on taking physics semester 1 and semester 2. Scrolling on down to question 11, 12, and 13. We are going to skip 11 and 12 and go down to 13 first. Every student at high-tech, in order to graduate from high-tech, needs 1 year of PE. So that means bodyworks or team life sports or a PE class. For Wendy Wolf, she's enrolled in bodyworks right now, and that is a year-long class and gives her 10 credits of PE. We're going to scroll on back up to question 11 and 12. And the answer for this question is that it's a little bit tricky, but if we do our math right, you need 40 math credits, 40 English credits, 30 science credits, and 30 social studies credits. So that puts you at 140 credits plus 10 credits of PE, which is 150 credits. And you need 240 credits to graduate. So if someone can do the math for me, 240 minus 150, that leaves you with 90 credits in order to graduate. So the correct answer for the question number 11 is the number 9. You need 9 year-long courses in art elective or elective courses. One of those 9 needs to be an art elective or a CTE elective to graduate from high-tech. For question number 12, we're going to select all the courses that Wendy Wolf plans on taking in order to earn those 9 credits of elective credits. She is a Spanish speaker, so she's going to take Spanish Language Arts Class 1, Semester 1 and Semester 2, and Spanish Language Arts 2, Semester 1 and Semester 2. She's also very interested in graphic design, so she's going to go down and select all of those classes in the right order. She's going to take Intro to Computer Design, Graphic Design, and Digital Photography. She is also interested in starting her own web design business, so she's going to take 2 years of business classes. As a freshman, she was required to take Intervention to Math and Intervention Reading. So now, let's count those together. She's taken 1 year long class, so that's 10 credits, another 10 credits for Spanish Language Arts 2, and then this will be 30 credits, 40 credits, 50 credits, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So she has gotten her 9 year long classes that we talked about up here, or her 90 elective credits. Before we are done, we need to save and click on I am finished. Make sure you've answered all the questions before you click on that. And if you are going to come back to this and haven't had time to finish it, save and return later. But every student should click on save and I am finished once they're completed. Thanks and have a great day, guys.